Hey guys, my name's Henry. I'm a barista here at 30th Coffee, and today we're going to be brewing our Colombian Natural processed coffee on the inverted Aeropress. The reason why I really enjoy this coffee is it has nice ripe notes of strawberry, notes of blueberry, and banana as well. The flavors are properly balanced based on this brew method. The reason why I like the inverted Aeropress method is because it allows the water to not pass through the filter and allows the coffee and the water to be immersed fully. So today, for the recipe, we're going to be doing 20 grams of fine ground coffee and a total of 230 grams of filtered water, and you're going to do that at about 205 degrees. And if you don't have an electric kettle, it'll be just off the boil. So first, you want to wet your filter in the filter cap. This will allow the initial papery taste to come out of the filter, and be sure to dump this out. And after you pour your filtered water out, you can put 20 grams of your finely ground coffee in the vessel. I like to give it a little twirl to make sure it is flat. Then you will pair your scale to 0. You can start pouring to about 45 grams and start your timer at the same time. This is what we call a bloom. A bloom will allow your coffee to degas, which will in turn aid extraction, which will allow your coffee to taste better. Right after the bloom, you're going to do a 15-second turbulent stir to get all of your coffee fully immersed. After that 15 seconds, you're going to allow it to steep for another 15 seconds. And after that, the second steep, you can do your next pour. It'll be 185 grams of filtered water or 230 grams total. When you get to 230 grams, you're gonna allow it to sit until 1 minute and 35 seconds before you start pressing. And here I like to place my filter cap on to keep the heat. And while that's sitting, I also like to heat my mug. Keep it nice and warm. Be sure to pour this out as well. And once you get to 1 minute and 35 seconds, you'll place your carafe on top of the vessel. You'll flip it over, and you'll start pressing on the Aeropress for 45 seconds. Now, once the Aeropress starts to hiss, is when you can take it off, so you don't get any unnecessary notes in your coffee. You can give it a swirl and evaluate the aroma if you'd like. You can pour it in your favorite mug and enjoy.